Our most popular sellers, the Pro Kits, need a proper video. Steph's gonna do an unboxing of all of them, plus gonna feature the new packaging right now.
Hello everybody, we are very excited for today's video. We are relaunching a Young Nails Classic product. Okay, so what I have here is our gel starter kit. We have 3 options for the acrylic starter kits. We have our core, our speed, and our ultimate. I'm gonna go over some of the products inside, the differences between them, and everything that's included in each one of the kits. Okay, first we're gonna get started with our Pro Gel Kit. So let's open this up. So first, we have our Young Nails Swipe. Swipe is used to dehydrate the natural nail plate, so this is going to be used for your prep, as well as removing the dispersion layer from your hard gel after it's been cured. Next up, we have our Liquid Gold Young Nails Protein Bond. This is going to prevent any lifting from happening. This is also a prep step to be used after your dehydrator. This is going to prevent any lifting, chipping, or popping off of the gel nails. Next up, we have our Young Nails Brush On Glue. This is what you're going to use to apply your tips. You have a 50-pack assortment of clear tips, as well as a assorted 50-pack of natural tips. In addition to the tips, you have the option of sculpting the nails using the Young Nails forms. We have a brand new manicure brush to be used for prepping your nails, getting rid of all the dust and debris that you're making while you're filing, and getting ready for your enhancements. There is a 20-pack of our lint-free nail wipes used to remove the dispersion layer from the hard gel after it's been cured. Next, we have our files. It's going to come with a combination of files and buffers. The files will be used to shape your hard gel, and the buffers are used to smooth the surface. And next, we get into the different gels that are included in the kit. Your kit is going to come with 6 different gels in the 15-gram containers. First off, you have your base gel, which is going to be used first before any of your enhancements. Whether doing an overlay or a sculpted nail, you always want to start with base. We have Concealer Pink, which is going to be a full coverage color. You can use this for sculpting out the nail bed or for building a full extension. We have the White Sculpture if you plan on doing any pink and whites or French tip. That's a beautiful full white solid color. The Flex Gel is the thinnest of the gels. It's perfect for mixing colors, mixing glitters, anything like that. We have our Build Gel, which is just a bit thicker than the Flex, and it's also great for mixing, encapsulating nail art, or building a full extension. And finally, we have our Clear Sculptor. Clear Sculptor is the thickest of the gels, so it's great for building your extensions. Someone who might be a little more comfortable with an acrylic, this is a little bit easier for you to work with because it is thicker. So all of the gels are hard gels and meant to be built with. The difference is the viscosity between them and the colors of the gel. Also in this kit, you're going to get our Young Nails Pro Gel Sculptor. This is an amazing gel brush to use. Comes with a wooden handle and is perfect for building out your gel enhancements. We have the Young Nails Ultimate Finish. Ultimate Finish is a tack-free, non-wipe gel top coat. It does need to cure in a lamp for about 60 seconds, UV or LED, and it has a really nice high shine finish. And finally, we have the Young Nails Rose Oil. Rose oil is our cuticle oil. It is rose scented, and this is going to be used to replenish your cuticles after you finish your service on yourself or on your client. So this completes everything that is in our Gel Pro Kit. You would just need to purchase a UV or LED light to cure your gels. Okay, so next we're going to get into our acrylic kits and the differences between them. First, we have our Young Nails Core Starter Kit. We have our Swipe, which, same as the gel kit, you're going to use this to prep and dehydrate the natural nail before application. Next up, we have our manicure brush. Again, that's going to be to get rid of any dust and debris and contaminants that you make while prepping the nail. This kit comes with a little plastic eyedropper, and that is to disperse your Young Nails liquid into the dampen dish that it comes with. So you're gonna get 2 of the 6-ounce nail liquids. Our Young Nails acrylic brush, it is about a size 8 and pure Kolansky hair. In some of the kits we do exchange the brush. The only difference is the handle. Some of them are a wooden handle, some of them are black. Both have the same head and both are very high quality acrylic brushes. In the little mini box inside, I have the clear dampen dish I was referring to for your liquid. We have the protein bond, our liquid gold. We're gonna use this to make sure that our enhancements stay on nice and secure, no lifting. Again, our brush on glue for your tip application. And again, we have our 50 count natural tips as well as our 50 count assorted clear. For anyone who's looking to sculpt your enhancements rather than apply the tip, it does come with the forms. Again, same as the gel kit. And we have our combination of files and buffers. You're gonna use your coarser grit files like the 100, 150 for filing on the acrylic, and then there's buffers included for smoothing out the surface. And now getting into the acrylic powders that come in our core collection. With your core starter kit, you are going to get a 45 gram core natural, a 45 gram XXX white. The XXX white is a stark white, full coverage, not milky, and it is a beautiful color for if you're doing a French design. Also includes our core white. Now the difference with our core white versus the XXX is core is a milky kind of look. It's amazing for French ombre, the baby boomer look, whereas the XXX white is that solid stark white. And we have our core cover pink as well as our core clear. So these are the 5 45 gram size acrylic powders that are gonna come in this kit. So in addition to the acrylic colors, we have our Young Nails Ultimate Finish Top Coat. Again, this is a non-wipe, tack-free top coat. So this is gonna be what you'll use to top coat your acrylic designs. And last but not least, we have our Young Nails Rose Oil. This is a rose scented cuticle oil used to nourish and replenish your cuticles after you have prepped and dehydrated and been working all around them. So this is everything that comes in our core acrylic starter kit. So you may be wondering what some of the differences are with our other 2 acrylic kits. Here we have our acrylic speed kit. The difference between the speed versus the core starter kits is just the acrylic powders that come in the collection. In the core starter kit, we have our core colors. In the speed starter kit, we have our speed powders. Now the difference between the 2 is basically just the set time. We have another video that we have previously recorded that we'll link below that compares the 2 and even gives some color swatch comparisons. All right, so for our final acrylic kit, we have our Young Nails Ultimate Kit. So our Ultimate Acrylic Kit comes with everything that you see here, the same preps, the same brush, tips, and forms. Only difference is it's going to exclude one of the 45 gram acrylic powders and replace them with 2 of our slick pour colors. Slick pour is our dip system as well as our colored acrylic. What you have here is Kitty Blitz. This is a beautiful rose gold, kind of rose quartz glitter color, and Flash and Burn. Flash and Burn is a beautiful white sparkle, and these colors are so versatile. They can be used for pretty much any kind of nail art, whether it's topical or in the acrylic. So when you're deciding which kit is best for you, it comes down to your preference. Some people prefer to work with the slower setting acrylic, where some people prefer to work with the speed. The Ultimate is kind of a nice combination of both of them, as well as you get some of the glitter colors. So I hope this helps with any questions that you may have had. If there's anything I didn't get to, please leave your questions in the comments below. And if you're interested in these kits, they're all available at youngnails.com.
Young Nails is committed to giving you the best nail education in the world. Check out more of our videos. Head right over here, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and do that by clicking right over here.